Excellent value for your money. Discover the tranquil charm of Pesacan Inn in Langkawi. Nestled in the heart of Langkawi, Malaysia, Pesacan Inn offers a serene and cozy retreat for travelers seeking a peaceful getaway. With its recent renovation in 2023, this two-star hotel combines modern comfort with traditional touches, providing guests with a truly unique experience. As you step into Pesacan Inn, you'll be greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. The hotel, which was built in 2010, boasts a charming design that reflects the local culture and heritage. With only 6 well-appointed rooms, Pesacan Inn ensures personalized service and a tranquil ambience for its guests. Check-in at Pesacan Inn begins at 2 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start your vacation at your own pace. The friendly and attentive staff will be there to assist you, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free arrival. When it's time to bid farewell to this idyllic retreat, checkout is until 12 p.m., giving you ample time to savor your last moments in this tranquil haven. Please note that Pesacan Inn has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. We recommend contacting the hotel directly for more information and to make any necessary arrangements for your little ones. Pesacan Inn strives to provide a comfortable and enjoyable stay for guests of all ages. Endless entertainment at Pesacan Inn. At Pesacan Inn, we believe that a truly memorable vacation goes beyond just comfortable accommodations. That's why we have curated an array of entertainment facilities to keep our guests entertained throughout their stay. Whether you're looking for a fun-filled evening or a relaxing day by the pool, Pesacan Inn has it all. For shopaholics, our hotel is conveniently located near a variety of shops, making it the perfect destination for retail therapy. Explore the nearby boutiques and souvenir stores, where you can find unique treasures to take home as a reminder of your Langkawi getaway. Indulge in some retail therapy and immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture. After a day of shopping, head back to Pesacan Inn to unwind and enjoy our other entertainment facilities. Take a refreshing dip in our sparkling swimming pool, perfect for beating the tropical heat. Lounge on the sunbeds by the poolside and soak up the warm Langkawi sun while sipping on a refreshing cocktail from our poolside bar. If you're in the mood for some indoor entertainment, our hotel also offers a well-equipped game room. Challenge your friends or family to a friendly game of billiards or table tennis, and let the competitive spirit soar. With a variety of games to choose from, there's something for everyone to enjoy.